I am Akshita Gani. I am going to teach you English. Okay students, in third standard in English we have first lesson as a lesson in kindness. In third standard the first lesson is a lesson in kindness. All of you open your textbook and follow what I tell. Before going to the lesson, students, here we are given that if you have kindness of heart, you are God's child of the best sort. Here a quotation is here. ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಐತಿ, ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಐತಿ. ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, if you have kindness of the heart, you are God's child of the best sort. So students, if you have kindness, if you have any sort of kindness in your heart, by heart if you are kind, then you will become you are a God's child, and in that part or in that case, if you have kindness in your heart, you will become a favorite one, or you will become a sort of a part of God's child. So what is here is kindness should be in your heart. You should help others. So if you have kindness, you will become a child of God. So here one question is here, students. If you are kind and loving, others will also be kind and loving to you. So if you are kind towards others, if you help others, if you love others, if you respect others, if you love others, then other will also love you. Other will also respect you. Other will also kind towards you. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗೌರವ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ become kind towards us. Whether students here, if you are not loving, if you don't love anyone, if you don't respect anyone, if you don't help anyone, then what will they do for you? What they will do? Yeah, they will also do the same thing as you did to them. They will also become unkind. They will also become unlovely, and they starts to hate you. So for that, what we have to do is we have to help others, we have to love others, we have to kind towards others. Okay students? Okay, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೂ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೇಟ್ ಯು. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅನ್ಕೈಂಡ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯು. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಬಿ. ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. It was a Sunday morning. Mr. Roy was sitting in his room. He was reading a newspaper. Suddenly, Mr. Roy looked out of the window. There was a boy in the street. And one day, that was a Sunday morning. That was a Sunday morning. The day was Sunday. Which day it was? It was Sunday. That was a Sunday morning. And Mr. Roy was sitting in his room. Mr. Roy, what he was doing? Mr. Roy, he was sitting in his room. Where he was sitting? Students, where he was sitting? He was sitting in his room. And what was that day? The day was, what was that day? The day was Sunday. And what Mr. Roy was doing? Mr. Roy was sitting in his room. Okay. He was reading a newspaper. He was reading a newspaper. What he was doing? What he was doing? He was reading. What he was reading? What he was reading? He was reading a newspaper. And the day was Sunday. And what he was doing? He was sitting in his room and reading a newspaper. Okay. ಯಾವ ದಿನ ಆಗಿತ್ತು? ಸಂಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, early morning, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ. So the day was Sunday. The day was Sunday. The day was Sunday. In the morning, Mr. Roy, he was sitting in his room. ಅವತ್ತೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಸಂಡೇ, ರವಿವಾರ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲೇ? ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. sitting. So he was sitting. Where he was sitting? He was sitting in his room. Where he was sitting? He was sitting in his room. Okay students, he was sitting in his room. The day was Sunday. In the morning he was sitting in his room. ಅವತ್ತೇನಿತ್ತು? ಸಂಡೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಅವರ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು. He was reading a newspaper. ಏನು ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ? He was reading ಓದೋದು. So he was reading a newspaper ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. So newspaper. He was sitting in his room and reading a newspaper. The day was Sunday. He was reading a newspaper in his room. ಅವತ್ತು ಸಂಡೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಅವರ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂತು ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ. Suddenly Mr. Roy looked out of the window. There was a boy in the street. Then when he was reading a newspaper in his room, he suddenly turned towards the window, kitaki. So he turned towards his room's window, and there he saw a boy going in the street. There was a boy in the street. When he saw the boy, when Mr. Roy, he suddenly looked at his window, out of his window. When Mr. Roy, he suddenly looked out of his window, then he saw a boy in the street. Suddenly ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ತಕ್ಷಣ. ಸೊ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು? ತಿರುಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಕಿಟಕಿ ಹತ್ರ, ವಿಂಡೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಿಟಕಿ. ಹಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಂಡೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಥ್ರೂ ದ ವಿಂಡೋ he looked. When he was reading a newspaper in his room, suddenly he looked out of his window. So then he saw a boy in the street. ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಏನು ಕಿಟಕಿ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಕಂಡ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ವೇರ್ he saw the boy. He saw a boy in the street. Street means road, on the road or on there in the street. ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು. And what happened next? Okay, let us move. The boy had a bag slung over his shoulder. The boy had a bag slung over his shoulder. He looked a sandwich out of his bag. Sorry, he took a sandwich out of his bag and began to eat it. And began to eat it. So, when Mr. Roy, he suddenly looked out of his window, he saw a boy in the street. When he saw the boy in the street, when ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ? When Mr. Roy was reading newspaper in his room. The day was okay, the day was Sunday. The day was Sunday. So then he suddenly looked out of his window. He saw whom he saw? He saw a boy. Where did he see the boy? He saw that boy in the street. He saw the boy in the street. And now the boy had a bag slung over his shoulder. That boy whom Mr. Roy saw in the street, he had a bag. That boy, he had a bag. That bag was slung over his shoulder. That bag was slung over his shoulder. Slung means hanging. Hang. Slang means hang. Slang, slung, slung. Slang. Slang, slung, slung. That bag was hanging. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈಗ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀವಲ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜೋತ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನೇತಾಡ್ದಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ that boy, he had a bag. What he had? He had a bag. That boy, he had a bag. How was that bag? The bag was slanging over his shoulder. Bhuja. The bag was slanging over his shoulder. Then he took a sandwich out of his bag and began to eat it. That boy, he took a sandwich. That boy, he took a sandwich out of his bag. The boy, he had a bag which was hanging over his shoulder. Out of that bag, the boy, he took out. From that bag, he took out a sandwich. Sandwich, we know there are two slices of bread piece. There are two slices of bread, and in between them, imagine that this one is a piece of bread and this one is also a piece of bread. In between these two bread pieces, here we put some food or vegetables. Here in between these two slices, we put some food or some vegetables and we close them. This type of food is known as a sandwich. Yes, of course, we all know what is a sandwich. So, this kind of food named sandwich, he took out of that bag, from his bag. ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಅವ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಗಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ತೆಗಿತಾನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು. ಸೊ he took out a sandwich from his bag and he began to eat it. And that boy, he began to eat it. Began. So start. Begin means start. Begin. Start. Begin. Began. Sorry. Begin. Began. So he started to eat that sandwich. The boy who was in the street, he started to eat that sandwich. Okay students, the day was Sunday. What was that day? The day was Sunday. And here Mr. Roy, what he was doing, he was sitting in his room and reading newspaper. He was sitting in his room and reading newspaper. When he suddenly looked out of his window, he saw a boy. What was that boy doing? What he had? He had a bag. That boy in the street, he had a bag. How was it? It was hanging over his shoulder. And what he took out of that bag? He took a sandwich out of that bag. What he did with that sandwich? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು? He started eating that sandwich. So ತಿನ್ನಕ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ. He started eating sandwich. And next what happened is, in the street there was a little dog. Where the boy was there, in that street only, a little dog was also there. The little dog was also there. A small dog was also there. Where the boy was eating the sandwich, the little dog was there. Where the little dog was? The little dog was also in the street, in that street. And now the dog saw the boy eating sandwich. What that dog did? The dog, it saw. What it saw? It saw the boy eating sandwich. We know what was that boy doing? The boy was eating the sandwich, and it was seen by whom? A little dog. It was seen by a little dog. And then the dog, it saw the boy eating a sandwich. Where was the dog? The dog was in the same street. The boy showed it to the dog. The boy who was eating the sandwich. ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತ? ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗನೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದು ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ನಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ನಾಯಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕತ್ತು? ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಏನು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ತಿನ್ನಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ದ ಬಾಯ್ ವಾಸ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್. ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್. ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ತಿನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ಆ ನಾಯಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Then the boy showed it to the dog. Then the boy who was eating the sandwich, he showed the sandwich to the dog who was eating the sandwich. That boy, he showed the sandwich to the dog. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾನ? ಆ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿಗೆ ತಾ ತಿನ್ನಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚನ್ನು, ಅದನ್ನು ಆ ನಾಯಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. He showed it. showed it to the dog. The dog started wagging its tail. Then the dog it started wagging. Wagging means moving. Sorry. The dog it started moving its tail. Tail means bhala. ನಾಯಿ ಬಾಲನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಗಾಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತು. While the boy he showed the sandwich to the dog. It wanted to have the sandwich to eat. Why it started moving its tail? Because the dog it also wanted to eat the sandwich. That dog it also wanted to eat the sandwich. So students, let us stop here. In next class we will see what it happened.